Most welcome friends and students. After the end of discussion the syllabus of zoology BSc part 3rd, now we will start the discussion of the botany paper first of the BSc part 3rd. So unit first have a biotechnology. Biotechnology topic have a two subtopic. Number one, applied microbiology and genetic engineering. So biotechnology have a many topics. We will discuss one by one. So first topic is definition and scope. It means what is the scope and definition of applied microbiology and genetic engineering. First topic, it is a very small. Next topic is an elementary knowledge of soil, water, sewage, milk, food, air. Every student in the first year and second year knowledge about soil, water, sewage, milk, food and air. Industrial microbiology. It means through the microbiology we just use in industry. It means the large amount of production. It is the subtopic under this biotechnology. The subtopic have subunit importance and application. It means importance of industrial microbiology and application of microbiology. Penicillium, Streptomycetes, Bacillus, Chlorella, all are genera. So we just underline first letter of the genera is right in the capital letter. It means, do you understand I am underline the in the red color? No, it is the not important only the underline by the red color. No, it is not needs. It is not urgent. While just we are use any color for the underline. Streptococcus, Lactobacillus, Leuconostoc, Saccharomycetes, Aspergillus, Clostridium, Claviceps, all genera are used as industrial microbiology. What is the importance and application we will discuss when the full length teaching. Next topic is symbiotic and non-symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria. Every first year and second year student know about symbiotic relationship and non-symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria. Symbiosis, it means algae and fungi protecting and providing food and depending each other. Such relation is known as symbiotic relation. Such symbiotic relation we will discuss mostly, importantly and broadly. Now, non-symbiotic relation is also the occupy. We will discuss it is also the most important topic. And nitrogen fixing bacteria, leguminous plants associate with some fungi and bacteria. So consisting such bacteria consisting the nitrogen, it means fixing the nitrogen under this leguminous plant. So we will discuss mostly with the examples and with the figures and with the glyphods, etc. So next topic is blue-green algae is most popular group, blue-green algae and mycorrhiza. Myco and rhiza, myco means study of the fungi, mycology. Here rhiza means root. It means the relation between the fungi and roots. Such relation is known as mycorrhiza. Next subunit of the biotechnology is genetic engineering. Genetic engineering have many topics. So, first one is concept and scope. It means concept and scope of genetic engineering. Second topic is gene transplants. It means under this topic we will study in the full length topic that how gene the transplant one plant to another plant, how to get transplanted plants, fruits, etc. So next topic is the role of restrictions enzyme. It means gene in under the gene transplantation, what is the role of the restriction enzyme, and also under the genetic engineering, what is the role of restriction enzymes? Very important topic. Most important role of the restriction enzyme under this genetic engineering. So next topic, endonuclease. Endonuclease, it is a type of enzyme like as restriction enzyme, but endonuclease enzyme and restriction enzyme have a different positions. Next topic is plasmids in transferring genes. So we will study a plasmid is a extra genetic material, sometimes occur in the bacteria, etc. So what is the use in the transferring gene? It means when the gene transfer one cell to another cell, so what is the role of the plasmids? So next topic, applications of genetic engineering in medicine, agriculture, industry and environment. Most important topic and most valuable applications of the genetic engineering under this sectors. So first unit of the paper first is completed. Now, we will start the unit second. Unit second have plant pathology topic. Plant and pathology. Pathology means study of disease and collectively called plant pathology. It means the study of disease of the plants. So it will be clear that. So now first topic of unit 2 is definition and scope. It is clear that in the before Second topic is disease and disease causing organisms. How many types of disease in the plant and what organisms cause the disease? Every organisms we will study after the end of discussion the syllabus. So, third topic, symptoms of plant disease. A very short note I am given you. It means when the plant facing the disease or suffering from the disease, such plant showing symptoms. Sometimes leaf become curly, sometimes leaves have black spotted, sometimes yellow spotted, and sometimes brown in color and curly also. So and so symptoms showing the plants, that plants who suffering from the disease. So we will discuss in detail during the teaching. Next topic, dissemination of pathogens. Pathogens means such organism caused the disease. Such organism is called as pathogens. Next topic is introductory knowledge of epidemiology and forecasting of plant disease. Epidemiology, it means pandemic problem. Introductory knowledge of pandemic problem. What is the pandemic? India and whole world just few months before facing the pandemic problem. It means study of the pandemic problem is known as epidemiology. Corona is a pandemic problem. It means the study of epidemiology. Under this, we study about the such type of problems. Hindi meaning of epidemiology is this. So, and forecasting of plant disease. Forecasting, it means prejudice. Forecasting of plant disease, it means according to some conditions we know before. Forecasting means in Hindi is it means plant will be affected from by which disease, knowing before. So more detail after the end of the syllabus. Next topic, host parasitic interaction. Every student of the BSc third year is known as the what is the relation between the host and parasitic and how many deepest interaction. Such every condition and every position we study in detail. So, next topic, effects of environment of plant disease. It is clear that according to topic, mostly environment affected due to plant diseases. If the plant undergoes to the disease, so environment mostly affected. Last topic of the unit 2 and paper first is principles of defense mechanism and control. It means under this topic we study about how to control the disease and how the defense mechanism of the disease for the saving the plants. It means from the pathogens. So, paper first of the botany of BSc third year. Of the BSc third year. It is clear that botany paper first of BSc third year have 2 units, unit first and unit second. Unit first have topic biotechnology and unit second have plant pathology. Two units only have the paper first. So, now topic is completed. Thank you.